A report says there is new critical evidence in the Robert Roberson death row case.
Right now, Roberson is scheduled to be executed a week from Thursday. He was convicted in 2003 for the murder of his young daughter. Supporters say he was convicted using the now widely debunked shaken baby syndrome. And now, this week, a new interview from Dateline NBC is raising questions about the judge in the original capital murder trial. Fox 4's Amelia Jones in the newsroom with more. Amelia.
Heather, Steve, in this new interview, allegations come to light that the judge who presided over Roberson's trial had previously given family members permission to take Roberson's daughter off life support. His legal team argues that was Roberson's decision to make, and the judge's involvement is a conflict of interest. With his execution date only 9 days away, his defense attorney is now hoping for a miracle. Robert Roberson has spent the last 23 years on death row after he was convicted of killing his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. The case hinged on the diagnosis of shaken baby syndrome, which more recent science has debunked in other cases. Roberson made national headlines when a group of Texas lawmakers used a legislative subpoena to stay his execution last year. He's now back in the spotlight because his new execution date is just days away. Ahead of the scheduled execution, NBC Dateline released a podcast dedicated to the case. And in a conversation between Lester Holt and Nikki's maternal grandfather, Larry Bowman, brand new details were released about the judge in Anderson County who presided over Roberson's 2003 trial.
Larry Bowman told us a judge in Palestine called the hospital, informing the staff that Robert was no longer allowed to make decisions about Nikki.
Matter of fact, Judge Bentley told them that we were the parents.
Did you have to make the decision to take her off support?
Yeah. Yeah. We did.
Over the last year, Roberson's defense attorney, Gretchen Sween, has filed multiple appeals citing new evidence in an effort to get Roberson a new trial. She filed another notice of new evidence quoting the podcast. She alleges a conflict of interest if it's true the same judge made that decision and presided over the case.
This is just more fundamental. It's like a judge should not be involved in circumventing the law to end a life, to arrest someone, and be involved in the facts and then preside over a trial. It's not right.
These cases are still pending in the Court of Criminal Appeals, but the cries of Roberson supporters have only gotten louder. A group of bipartisan Texas lawmakers who were part of the committee that saved his life last time are visiting him on Wednesday. Representative Retta Bowers is one of them.
I think that everyone witnessed that last year, that we were fighting until the very end, until we could get that stay of execution for Robert Roberson. And I know that my colleagues and I, as we come together to urgently ask for his execution to be halted, we're fighting in that with that same passion.
Sween says Roberson will welcome the lawmakers as he holds on to any shred of hope. Meanwhile, she longs for a miracle.
This is about fundamental faith in the rule of law, that you just don't go by what your instincts tell you. You have to have a fair process or you end up with innocent people on death row.
The group of Texas lawmakers are set to visit Roberson in Livingston, Texas tomorrow afternoon. If nothing is done, he is set to die by lethal injection on October 16th. Steve, Heather.
Amelia, thank you.